Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join the affiliate program with Hostinger and then start making money through Hostinger when people use your link to join. Now, if you don't have a Hostinger account, this is going to be a shameless plug, you can save 20% by using the link in my bio down below, and that way you can get an account for 20% off and then start using your referral code. Now from here, once you're in your account and you've made it, in the top right hand corner where it says accounts, you're going to tap on that and go down to earn with us. Click on that. Now it's going to bring you through to a page you'll need to confirm, and then that will bring you through to this new page here. So the main one that you're probably going to be using is here, share through your social media. So you simply copy that link to your YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you would like. Otherwise, you can also manually send it through an email as well. But once someone clicks on here and purchases a program, they will get 20% off, and you'll also receive a 20% small commission as well. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.